Downloading data from PayPal is a straightforward process that allows you to access your transaction history and account information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity section. Once logged in, locate the Activity tab on the main menu. This section contains all your transactions and account activities. Step 3. Select the date range. In the Activity section, look for options to filter your transactions. Choose the date range for which you want to download the data. You can select predefined ranges or set a custom range. Step 4. Download the data. After selecting the date range, look for a download button or link. Click on it and choose the format you prefer for your data, such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. Confirm your selection to initiate the download. Step 5. Save the file. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Ensure you save it in a secure location where you can easily access it later for your records. By following these steps, you can easily download your PayPal data for your personal or business needs.